Hi guys! This is my unboxing and review of the BTS Map of the Soul light stick. They call this special edition kasi base siya dun sa Map of the Soul na album nila. And they call it the third version of the light stick. So yung mga ibang light stick may first and second, and I think meron na rin fourth edition. So when you buy this, sa box syempre importante yung sticker. That's what we've seen. And then, may mga inscription sa tabi. I don't know if you can see it. Medyo masama ang lighting ko. So, may na Map of the Soul. And then, meron siyang konting embossed sa harap. So, that's very important that you look for that. Well, this naman is for sure naman na legit siya because I bought it from a shop that bought it from Weavers. Pinaship from Korea. So I'm really excited to have this. This is my first time to buy a light stick. So excited ako. Syempre may konting pa-struggle pa rin tayo sa pagbukas. I didn't want to use a cutter. Ayan na. So guys, nung tinanggal ko siya from the box, medyo magaang siya. Very, very lightweight. And kumbaga, if we imagine it, bringing it in the concert, nako, it's easy to bring and to carry. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. It's very sleek, lightweight, and may inscription siya ng BTS and Army sa tabi. Hindi ko lang pinakita na maayos. So, nakalagay dyan ay sa side ay Map of the Soul. Ayan siya. And then, may logo sa likod. So, these were the buttons. I'll demonstrate later paglagay natin ng battery. So yan, it comes with their photo cards na solo. So yan na si Namjoon. Hey Namjoon. Leader of BTS. Bias wrecker ko siya, FYI. But you didn't ask, I know. So yan yung card. Hindi ko na pinakita kasi sayang ang points. Ang points sa Weaver shop. The QR code. So this, we show Jungkook. Hello, Cookie. The maknae, the youngest of BTS. And we have next si V, Taeyong. And Jimin. Cute ni Jimin. Usual. J-Hope, Our Sunshine. I'm Your Hope. J-Hope. Suga. Yoongi. Jin, my bias. Oh, so cute. Worldwide handsome. So cute with the curly hair. And then, of course, RM. Our leader, RM. Cutie pie. So there, it comes with that. And then, I'm gonna open the other packet. And ito yung niya, lalagyan ng light stick. So it's a thin bag na meron siyang konting inscription na nakasulat. Yan. One side says Army, and then other side says BTS Special Edition. Yan. And then, so dyan malalagay light stick, no? So, sana ma-experience natin soon kung pwede na mag-concert. So, this also comes with the wrist strap. Ito siya. Silver wrist strap. Nakalagay Army and BTS. So, you attach it to your light stick para hindi malaglag when you hold it. So, I'm just looking for the manual where the instructions are how to operate, how to put the battery. Tsaka yung mga modes niya ng buttons. Tinatry ko pang patayuin pero hindi pwede. So, just keep it in the box. So, oli na lang. So, ayan siya. All the information is there. Very simple. Yan. So, let's try and turn on the light stick na. Let's go look for a battery. So, yung battery niya, you just untwist it. Yan. So, sa ilalim. Just like a flashlight. So, we need 3 AAA batteries. Yan. So, just insert the 3. So I just had trouble to inserting it because of it's my fault. So pasok ko yung battery na and then the lower cap. And then upper button is the white light. And then the lower button, yung blue, is yung Bluetooth niya when you attach it to the app, the light stick app. I'll do another video for that. So, pang Bluetooth yan. So, yan. May modes yan. First mode, yan. Nagbe-blink siya. Slow. Relatively relaxed. Light. And then, the next is mas mabilis na. Yan. So, strobe lights effect. And then, final is suabe lang siya. No white light. So, total, that's like 1, 2, 3 modes pala siya. Okay, na-practice ko pa kunyari nasa concert. So, I'll just turn off the light. Let's see how it looks. Oh, ganda. I wasn't able to show, pero meron siyang BTS na logo na white inside the mismong bulb. And then at the back, meron ding Army nakalagay. Hindi lang obvious sa video, but it has that. I'm so excited. This is so nice. I'm so happy with this purchase from Dope Manila. Please look at their Instagram account for any of your merch needs. Other K-pop groups they also have, so there. I'm so happy. I'm excited to watch BTS anytime, kahit online. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Borehe!